Hi students, welcome to our channel. Today we learn 5th science term 2 unit 3 plants lesson la book back answer fullave paakalam. Okay, first Roman, choose the correct answer. First one, male reproductive organ of the flower is 4 option kuduthirukanga. Sepal, petal, androsium, gynosium. Which answer correct? Answer C, androsium. Second one, pollination by wind is also known as anemophily, hydrophily, endomophily, ornithophily. Which answer correct? Answer A, anemophily. Next, dispersal of seed by water is known as anemochory, hydrochory, zoochory, autochory. Which answer correct? Answer B, hydrochory. Next, fourth one, endomophily is pollination by insects, pollination by wind, pollination by water, pollination by animal. Which answer correct? Answer A, pollination by insects. Next, fifth one, pollination takes place by wind in grass, Vallisneria, hydrilla, lotus. Which answer correct? Answer A, grass. Next, second Roman, fill in the blanks. First one, spreading of seeds from one place to another is known as dash. Answer, dispersal of seeds. Second one, autochory is known as dash. Answer, self-dispersal method. Next, third one, the seed is a fertilized dash. Answer, ovule. Fourth one, paddy grow well in dash soil. Answer, clay. Next, fifth one, the soil which contains bigger sized particle is dash. Answer, sandy soil. Next, third Roman, match the following. First one, earthworm. Answer, vermicompost. Second one, birds. Answer, ornithophily. Third one, coconut. Answer, dispersal by water. Fourth one, bee. Answer, honey. Fifth one, dragonfly. Answer, destroys the egg and larva of mosquitoes. Next, fourth Roman, answer briefly. First one, define pollination. Answer, the transfer of pollen grains from the anther to stigma of a flower is called pollination. Second one, what is germination of seed? Answer, the seed is a fertilized ovule. It consists of embryo food materials which are protected by the seed coat. During favorable conditions, the seed germinates and gives rise to a new seedling. Next, third question, how soil is formed? Answer, soil is formed by the breaking of rocks by the action of wind, water and climate. The mixture of rock particles and humus is called the soil. Next, fourth question, what is known as vermicompost? Answer, the process of decomposing biodegradable waste by earthworms is known as vermicompost. Next, fifth question, how the seeds are spread by water? Answer, fruits which are dispersed by water have outer coats modified to enable them to float. The mesocarp middle layer of coconut is fibrous and is easily carried away by water. They reach different places and grow into a new plant. Example, lotus, coconut. Next, fifth Roman, answer in detail. First one, write a note on parts of flower. Answer, flowers have 4 parts. 4 important parts. Flowers have 4 important parts. They are sepal, petal, androsium, gynosium. First, sepal. It is the outer part of the flower. Usually it is small and green in color. It protects the bud in the early stage. Second one, petal. It is often colorful and it attracts the insects. Third one, androsium. It is the male reproductive part of the flower. It is composed of stamens. Each stamen consists of a stalk called filament and a small bag-like structure called anther at the tip. The pollen grains are produced in the anther within the pollen sacs. Next, gynosium. It is the female part of the flower. It has 3 parts. They are ovary, style and stigma. The ovary contains the ovules. Next, second question ma. Explain the methods of pollination. 2 types of pollination take place in the flowering plants. They are self-pollination and cross-pollination. First one, self-pollination. The transfer of pollen grains from the anther of a flower to the stigma of the same flower is called self-pollination. In self-pollination, seeds produce weak plants and new varieties of plants cannot be produced. Next, second point, cross pollination. The transfer of pollen grains of a flower to the stigma of another flower of a different plant of the same species is called cross pollination. In cross pollination, seeds produce good plants and new varieties of plants can be produced. Pollination takes place through different agents. They are wind, water, insects and birds. Next, third question, draw the picture of a flower and label the parts. ஃப்ளவரோட பிக்சர் என்ன பண்ணணும், ட்ரா பண்ணி அதோட பார்ட்ஸை லேபிள் பண்ணணுமா. இங்கே இருக்குது பாரு, உங்கள் புக்ஸில் கூட கொடுத்துருப்பாங்க. இந்த ஃப்ளவரில் என்னென்ன பார்ட்ஸ்னு பார்க்கலாமா. கீழே பாருங்கள், லாஸ்ட்டில் என்ன இருக்குது, ஓவியூல்ஸ் இருக்குது. எதில் இருக்குது, ஓவரி இருக்குல்ல, அதில் தான்மா ஓவியூல்ஸ் இருக்குது. ஓவரி, நெக்ஸ்ட் என்னது க்ரீன் கலர், இது என்னது செப்பல். ஓகேவா, இந்த மாதிரி ட்ரா பண்ணணும். ஓவியல்ஸ் பார்ட்ஸ் லேபிள் பண்ணுங்கள். நெக்ஸ்ட்டு செப்பல் லேபிள் பண்ணுங்கள். நெக்ஸ்ட்டு பாருங்கம்மா, ஓவரி, ஸ்டைல், ஸ்டிக்மா, இதெல்லாம் சேர்ந்து தான் எனது கார்பல். ஓகேவா, ஸ்டிக்மா, ஸ்டைல், ஓவரி, இந்த லேபிள் மார்க் பண்ணிவிட்டு நெக்ஸ்ட் என்ன இருக்குது, பெட்டல் மார்க் பண்ணுங்கம்மா. நெக்ஸ்ட்டு ஆந்தர் ஃப்ளமண்ட், இது என்னன்னு சொல்லுவோம், ஸ்டேமன். ஓகேவா, அந்த மாதிரி ட்ரா பண்ணி ஃப்ளவர் ட்ரா பண்ணி அதோட பார்ட்ஸ் என்ன பண்ணுங்கள், லேபிள் பண்ணுங்கள். ஓகே ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ், இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருந்துச்சுன்னா நம்ம சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள், லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள். தேங்க்யூ டு ஆல்.